All started with a very simple but very strategic upsell. All right, so we're actually going to replace this entire driveway. We're going to tear up all the asphalt and lay down new asphalt. But in doing that, we noticed that all the Belgian block borders were loose, very loose. They're going to fall and there'll be a problem when paving. So we talked to the homeowner, and obviously it's more expensive, but we're going to lay cement and foot these in some concrete. We're bringing the mixer here today. All of these Belgian block stones are reusable. They're in great shape. And we're going to lay them all fresh. So you see the perimeter of the driveway is all dug up. All these stones are going to go back down. The driveway is ancillary. The real issue here and why we're here and what we're doing here and digging is they have a severe water issue in the front of the house. All the downspouts have been completely compromised. The drains for those downspouts compromised with root systems. The plantings are old. They've been around the house for a long time, and they figured out a way how to penetrate that thin wall junky pipe and find fantastic water source. So some of these roots are like the size of my wrist. It's unbelievable how thick they are. We're bypassing 6 downspouts in the front. The problem is this driveway all slopes down to the house. So all the water pools against the house. So in order to combat that, we're sending all new pipes to a pump chamber. That pump chamber is a precast concrete housing. It's 4 feet wide in diameter on the outside and 3 feet on the inside diameter. It's pretty substantial, 4 feet tall, plus another 12 inches with a lid. So we have 5 feet tall by 36 inches diameter. Holds a lot of water. What we're gonna house in there, it's called the pump chamber, we're going to put a pump in it. And the pump is badass. We spec'd a cast iron, 2 horsepower, heavy duty outflow, 2 inch. It's basically a septic pump. And that'll be plumbed, and we're going to push water about 150 feet. So collect the water, send the water out and around, and we're going to go to daylight in the backyard. Between that, where the pump pumps the water to is going to be a detention box. We have those precast boxes in the driveway. Those are going to be stacked, and we're going to make another small housing that'll fill with water and then go into a 6-inch pipe to gravity that'll just go to daylight, another 80 yards down the property.